In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and view all properties within HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process with ease. To get started, you'll need to first head over to the HubSpot user guide. You can find this by launching your browser and entering the HubSpot URL provided through your organization, or you may follow the direct link to the user guide if you have it handy. This step provides you with a great opportunity to familiarize yourself with the vast array of resources available within HubSpot, designed to help you get the most out of the platform. Once you're on the user guide page, direct your attention to the navigation options and click on Companies. This will lead you to the section where you can manage various company records within HubSpot. Navigating to companies is crucial as it serves as the foundation for accessing your desired company-related information. Next, within the Companies section, click on HubSpot. Doing so will bring you to a more general overview of your company database. Here you'll observe various companies listed, each accompanied by relevant data, depending on what you have previously entered or are utilizing within HubSpot. After you're in the HubSpot section, the next action is to click on Actions. This button can be found on any specific company record you're interested in. It's usually positioned towards the right side of the page, making it easy to locate. Clicking Actions opens a range of options to modify or analyze your company's information effectively. Finally, from the drop-down menu, select View All Properties. This will allow you to see all the detailed attributes associated with the company you selected. This list includes everything from basic contact information to intricate details you've opted to include in your company records. Accessing this information gives you a comprehensive view of any updates or changes that may be necessary. As you proceed through these steps, keep in mind that HubSpot is a robust tool tailored for extensive CRM and marketing needs. Ensuring you're comfortable navigating through these elements is fundamental to making informed decisions that can enhance your business processes. And remember, the HubSpot platform continuously updates, so staying informed by regularly visiting the user guide will help you leverage new features and improve your productivity. That wraps up this guide on how to view all properties in HubSpot.